What the fuck is going on in this game? What?
What? How do you die?
Glitch? I just jumped into the air and I broke my leg. Fucking game. Stupid. Like, so fucked up.
Well, I left over here too because I knew I'd have to come back up here anyway, so they did an extra mini of myself. And now what I do is I do this, jump up here, let it go. Aw, damn it, fuck. Didn't work this time. Alright, I'll get it, don't worry.
Fresh glove too? What glove?
I jumped on it and it didn't give it to me.
Oops!
Nah, fuck you.
Fucking hell. Bunch of monkeys jumping monkeys shooting shotties. Bullshit. Fucking monkeys jumping, shooting monkeys. Fucking aim assist monkeys jump. Fucking hell, bunch of monkeys. Like literally the first fucking thing in their mind in the fucking game is just jump. Oh, I feel like some people are cheating in this. See that, BK?
Russians are now occupying an objective.
Oh no! Clip that! Clip that! Oh my god, that was just crazy. I must lock myself in the fucking room myself! I'm locking myself! Like... It's all panicking, man. It's all panicking. Look at this game! Look at this game! So stupid! So stupid! 5 years old game! Grow up! Grow up! Yep, of course! Oh my god! Oh fuck this. Nico, please clip that. Please clip that for just Eagling on you, bro. Oh!
What the why did it curve that way? It could have went any
Someone
fucking
clip
way.
that! Someone
but
fucking clip that, bro!
it could have went any fucking way, but it went that fucking way.
Influenza, just to put that in there.
Yeah. Yeah, it's but the thing is, right, the COVID is worse now than ever. Oh, someone shot the happy person. Who shot her?
Emma, what did you
She's
do?
mad. I didn't shoot her.
Why did you shoot?
She's not even shooting at me.
Oh, I need to
She's
get a
shooting at
bounty
you,
board.
someone else. Malad, did you
It's
hit
not a
her?
wall.
No,
You
I
sure it's
didn't.
not a wall?
No, she's shooting at Malad, I think. She hates Malad.
I didn't do it.
I hate you too. I hate you, Chris. I hate you, Skin.
Oh fuck, who's down?
She killed Malad.
Oh no.
Clip that, Mary. Clip that.
She killed. He's telling her she.
My money
That's what.
He kept hooking up with my tank. You know? It just what, you know, he was hooking us. Oh, Parrot, you got play of the game. I'm gonna clip that for you.
Let's go! That's it? What the fuck did I do? Get it, one up! Get it.
I'm stuck.
Don't worry.
Don't worry, you did. That was clippable. That was clippable. Somebody clip that shit.
They arrived 5 seconds earlier, 5 seconds later.
Sorry, I'm taking a break, guys. I mean,
Wouldn't
just
have had-
relaxing.
Might
see.
not have had the map open.
Oh, oh shit.
Just chill, just chill.
So turn it back on. It was fun. Bro, it's competitive. It's crazy.
Fuck. Oh, they're
It was
inside.
fucking fun, right?
They're just,
Let me
yeah,
order pizza
sort of.
first or something. And I get back on 100%.
Unacceptable condition! Unacceptable!
Yo.
My lad, that is here. Let's come back to you. That's all right.
Let's go, Mala gets them.
Woo!
Mala is unstoppable today here, ladies and
Did
gentlemen.
he just...
Where is he?
Yeah, you took those. Oh, that's
teammate.
Why are you shooting Nicole? No, I'm dead!
Because I couldn't see him.
No!
Running with me because the storm's pretty bad. What the fuck?
Thank you.
Where is he?
God damn it.
Let's go! Clip that thing, dude. GG's. Let's go, guys. Woo! Oh my god, jumped off from the fucking map.
You?
Yeah, I did. Somebody clicked that. Welcome in. How's it going? Welcome in, Nana. This is this is Parrot Junior taking over his daddy's desk, and he's playing some Fortnite. It's still your voice. What the?
If you like dog shit content, please subscribe.
I cannot hear myself.
Oh my god.
they
Oh
fucking
my
didn't
god,
make
again!
my fucking-
Oh, it's a stupid fucking bot.
Right there.
Oh my god!
Oh,
You out of there. Malad's running up the whole entire lighthouse right now.
Yeah,
Do we like the Evo shotgun? I don't know if I like the Evo shotgun or not. Oh, what happened?
My dead body's in the air! Holy shit, look at it! Look my stream! Look at my stream, holy shit! Oh, somebody clip that. Hold on, I gotta keep this shit.
Another one.
Woo! Clip that shit! Woo! That was epic!
There was another person.
Yeah, you thought.
Lurked somewhere over
Woo!
there.
Sorry
This
guys, sorry.
one's here, guys.
Oh, you just like killed yourself? Nice.
Malad?
Yeah, I saw that. I saw that.
Malad, I need help. I'm back behind Orisa.
Hope this helps. You're in for it now.
Did you glitch out? Did you glitch out?
How did I manage this?
How did you manage to broke the game? You always like to broke the games, and that's you did. You did, and you did
I literally
pretty
was
good.
just-
Isn't it like who are you
Didn't
shooting?
hurt.
Are you shooting his like
Her!
fucking turd?
You'll have to ask
What are you
the
shooting
devs
at?
to Falconer.
I'm shooting her!
It doesn't seem like it. I don't know who.
You know what it doesn't seem like? It doesn't seem like you're good at Overwatch, my boy. That's what it seems like.
Says you, fuckboy. Shut up.
I want to the blobbies.
Oh my god. I don't know what am I doing in this game, dude. Just please. For fuck's sake, Grim. Don't do that shit to me, dude. I'm fucking scared. I don't know, man. Oh, I'm fucking scared. Damn it, I'm screaming like a little bitch right now. Imagine. Yo!
Then loot the house because you need a little bit. At it.
Well, that works, doesn't it?
You'd be lucky if you could find some fucking heals up there, man.
Oh, great chest master! Please give me a med kit! Please give me a med kit! Oh! That's a fucking clip and a half, bro. Oh! I'm just in shock. No, Drag, I'm not doing that, by the way. Fuck you. After that? Nah, dude, fuck you. I'm not leaving the fucking match after that, Drago. That.
Hey, we're on the same team. Cook. Hey.
Did I hear something about the
Thank
same
you,
team?
Slayer.
That worked too well.
Hey,
Way too well.
Slayer, I didn't even mean to hit him.
I know you did it. That's the best part about
right
it.
Back in, and I just fucking said nope. All right, Slayer, you know what to do. GG's.
GG's.
Dude, I can't believe I did that on accident, dude. That was sheer fucking luck.
It was.
Slav, I'm sorry, but that was fucking hilarious. Play Fortnite no matter what, anyway, against your back or not. He does not, they do not, or will not give a fuck. Are you fucking serious? Drago, are you on my stream? Fuck. Fall Damage God just came back.
Hiya, man. How you doing?
Hey Slayer, let me hold your hand while you go out, man.
Yeah, sure.
Hey Slayer, Hey son, you forgot your snacks.
Hold on, Mom. The bus, Mom. The bus.
You forgot your lunch bag. Here you go. Bye, son.
Thank you, Mom. Ah!
Bye, son. Love you.
Bye, Mom.
Have a
Love
good day at
ya.
school. I hope that little fuck gets bullied. Did you hear what I said at the end there?
I'm not gonna get lucky.
Totally not lucky this time. Yeah, bitch. We're definitely not lucky. We need a fucking eating good chance there.
Oh my fucking god! Holy shit!
He's got Everchrome.
Wow, these guys are just, you know.
I no-scoped him and then shotgunned him in the dome. That's fucking crazy. Someone clip that. We need that clipped, please. I need someone to clip that. That was great. Purple Prime over here. Malad, you'll see it too if you clip it. Like his eyes all night. Just nothingness. Oh my fucking god! What? Dude, no. Watch my stream. Look at that cutscene that I just got. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm about to die, bro.
I'm good with that too.
Oh my god, I'm spitting on this kid.
Oh!
Jesus Christ! Holy shit!
Oh, my fucking dick. Man, talk about a clip, huh? How long can I goddamn slide on this ice for? Jesus Christ, I've slid across the whole fucking ice. Woo! Malad, can we get that as a clip, please, and thank you?
Man, if you don't start riding my fucking dick.
Yo, you loco fool! Oh, fuck! Oh, Jesus Christ! Holy shit! Holy shit!
I realized that would happen to me every now and then if I didn't like.
Oh my god, you did not!
Hey, let's go to Fall Guys.
I did that the other day.
Listen, if someone can, please clip that in the chat. I fucking hate that, but I love that. Please, just, I need that clip, alright? I was doing so fucking good though too. Like that is so sad. I was doing so fucking good. I was fucking around with that man and everything.
Oh god, that was hilarious.
Holy shit! That fucking hurts my stomach right now to fucking think of that. Oh my fucking god. I'm gonna clip that.
Superhero skin.
Where's he at?
Down below. He's down below.
Yep. Sniper guy's coming down the hill. Oh, knocked him! That was a good ass fucking snipe from your boy! Watch it, careful, watch there. 120 on the guy in the back, nice, good shit, good shit. Good shit. Throwing rocks over there. They went
him in the nuts, lol, emoji face with tears of joy.
Oh, don't worry, he will. No way I just did that! What the fuck? Jagger, could you clip that? I just overcomplicated the game for no
It is actually
fucking
keeping my mind on shit.
He's behind that rock. Yep.
Totally.
Do you have a snipe?
And they nope, but they see me.
120, 120, 120, 120.
Yep, I'm gonna slide down.
Yep, he's running. No. Oh!
Totally.
You get him?
I fucking sniped the.
Oh shit.
Yeah, the fucking camp, bro. He was camping in the building as I ran through it.
Emoji face with tears of joy. Emoji face with
Now I've done lost my fucking crown.
Damn!
And he
Yo,
got
what
sniped
up?
because he's fucking dog shit, bro. I'm like, what the fuck, man?
Someone res Sosa right now. Keep balancing that crown back and forth.
Oh yeah, I got you.
Got him.
That kid is fucking terrible, bro. He was
Thank
camping
you.
He already saw your ass.
Did you see what I just did there?
Yeah, I saw it. And bro predicted that shit.
Oh, fucking course he did.
He predicted that too.
Damn, dude, I almost fucking got his ass too. Someone get that fucking door open!
You're dead completely.
At least he got the door open though, right? No way he's gonna take a hit from me. No way! No way! I'm out. Are you trying to hit me with your bike or some shit?
Nope.
Oh, up and down. Oh shit, up and down. Another fucking hit your grenade fucking midair.
Catch that fucking damn grenade, motherfucker.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Let's go, bitch. You can't hit me.
Anal beats.
Well, I can't grab coins either, okay.
No, that's the coins are only for us. Hey, Bri, ready? Trick shot. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh, Jesus, wanna.
I'm just going to
Hey,
frenzy.
let's big ass this guy. What are you going?
Yeah, get fucked. Okay, now we go to frenzy. Yo, I'm gonna clip that. Oh my god, that was beauty.
Let's go.
Good hair, Michael.
Oh!
You saw that, right?
Yeah, Milan, you both hit them at the exact same time.
Oh my god.
Oh wait, they got knocked down. We hit them so hard they were knocked at the beginning of the round.
Alright, good. One is spamming shots.
Yep. Oh my god, zipline glitch again!